In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send post put delete requests on Replit. Start by heading to the Replit homepage. From there, create a new project as a web app. You can use a Python or Node.js web server. Either works fine for demonstrating HTTP methods. The important part is that the project is set up to serve a website so you can handle routes and view results in the browser. When you see the web app option, select it, then click. Start to initialize the environment. Give it a moment to boot up. You'll see the editor, the file tree, and a preview panel once it's ready. Next, we'll prepare a strong prompt to help the Replit agent build our API and a simple test page. Open your AI tool and paste a short request like, how to send post put delete requests on Replit. Can you create a simple prompt for me to the Replit agent? Let it generate guidance, then highlight the part that explains building a small backend with post, put, and delete routes. Copy that text so you can reuse it. This cuts down on guesswork and ensures the agent knows exactly what you want. Go back to your Replit project and open the agent chat. Paste the text you copied and click Build to kick off the workflow. You'll see prompts like make, test, iterate, and ask questions. Plan your work. These are helpful cues to refine what the agent produces. If you need the agent to include a basic interface for testing, add a clear line such as, please include a simple HTML frontend with a form and buttons so I can test these requests directly in the browser. Use an in-memory array for data storage. This tells the agent to generate both the server routes and a minimal page to exercise them, without any external database. Send the prompt, then wait for the agent to create the files and scripts. While it's working, avoid interrupting the process. When it's done, open the highlighted files it generated so you can review the code. You should see routes that accept post to create items, put to update them, and delete to remove them. The in-memory array is perfect for demo purposes because it resets on restart and keeps everything simple. The HTML page should include inputs and buttons wired to those routes so you can click and immediately test behavior. When you're satisfied, click Publish. Replit will give you a live link you can share or use for testing. That's it. Your project can now send post, put, and delete requests right from the browser, making it easy to learn, iterate, and demonstrate how these